welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going all out with a super fun pink project. We're going to be customizing my iPhone 16 Plus to go from this to this. Not only will I be diving into iOS 18 customization features to get that ultimate pink home screen, but I'm also going to be decorating a cute phone case to match the vibe. Stick around to the end to see the entire transformation. Let's get into it. I have been seeing a lot of custom phone cases on Pinterest, and I really want to recreate my own. Of course, it has to be pink, so I bought a bunch of things on Amazon. Let's see what we can come up with. So to start it off, I got a clear phone case because why would I want to hide this gorgeous pink shade? I bought these tiny little beads. I don't know if they're for nails. Honestly, they probably are. We have tiny little bows, some stars. This has got to look cute. I bought some Gorilla Glue because it needs to stick. Just some like pink rhinestone tape. So I actually already had these things. They're like little hearts that you can just stick onto stuff and attach like a little keychain. I have silver and gold. And then I'm most excited about this. We have a full My Melody pack, and I think it comes with stickers. So these are gonna go to my niece. She's gonna love them. And even a little notebook. Adorable. But I got it mainly because of the stickers. I feel like there's so many options and they're pretty small, so we could stick a bunch on the phone case. And I kind of just went all out on Amazon, I'm not gonna lie. It's a charger that has Hello Kitty on it. I feel like this could be cute. Let's figure this out together. Okay guys, this is everything that I have. Let's start with the little stickers and see the different options. There's so many. We definitely have to stick with a little pink. I like this one. Maybe I'm thinking like 2 stickers. That's so cute. I even have this. Kind of matches. Okay, maybe that there. Just pink or pink with a bit of green. Let's do just pink. I think I'm gonna stick it like that. And maybe this one right here. Like that. Okay, a cute start. If I do one of these pink hearts, where should it go? I probably should have went here, right? We're unpeeling it. Can't use this guy anymore. No! I'm sorry, little guy. So with pink, I think silver might be the move. I'm not gonna lie. We got silver and gold here, but I'm kinda leaning towards silver. But like that. I do have a few keychain options, so we'll look at that after. Like there. So these are our options. I love these tiny hearts. These are my favorite. Okay, I might just like put them all around. Definitely some pink hearts, some of these bows. Because it's gonna be up to the pink, like it's gonna have the pink in the background, I feel like we should do white. What do you guys think? Oh, but will I use this? It does fit perfectly around the sides like that. It's a little crazy, but I kind of want to do it. We might as well go all out, right? This is giving Paris Hilton. Okay, I have to cut around here. I would recommend scissors, but you can just do it like that. I can't believe it's like the perfect size. Cut it right here. Okay, I think this is already looking really cute. So let's get some glue out. Let's just do a bunch of dots everywhere. Whoa, that's fine, right? I think I need a big one to cover that big glop of glue. Why is this like I'm playing Operation? Okay, now I know I need less glue. That's actually kind of cute. Ooh, a star. Let's do that. I really didn't realize Gorilla Glue smelled like poison this bad, not gonna lie. Don't do this in your room in a confined space because it smells a lot. You know what? I would also recommend using eyebrow tweezers because these tweezers aren't that good. Let's do a dot here, maybe here. I'm loving it. Okay, we need a few more here. And I think that's all. Let's put a white heart there. So originally I wanted to attach this to here, but I don't think it matches at all. I have a better idea. This tiny baby pink keychain on my house keys, let's put it here. Oh yeah. Now I'm thinking I should have gone with a gold lock. Can I pull it off? I don't think so. Hey, at least you know it's never gonna come off because I literally can't get it off even if I wanted to. So we're gonna be staying with the silver. It's no big deal. I also don't even need this sticker here because I have this. Should I take the sticker off? Guys, what am I doing? So it definitely looks better with no sticker here because then you can see the cute keychain, but I kind of ruined it, so I need to put a sticker back here. This is cute, too big. Let's find a different one. This one covers it perfectly. Okay, let's let this sit and dry. That looks so cute. And if you're like on your phone, you know the keychain's gonna hang and dangle, so yeah, that's cute. That is so cute. You guys are not gonna believe what I just realized. I accidentally bought a phone case for a 15 Plus, not a 16 Plus. So it doesn't fit, but you know what? That's okay. Learn from my mistakes. Read the Amazon thing 100 times, but you know what? It's okay because there are a few things that I would like to change and do differently on my second time around. So I realized I do love the pink all the way around. That looks awesome. We're not gonna put a sticker here. We're going to be a little bit better with the glue. So I'm gonna order a 16 Plus phone case on Amazon, and this was just our trial round. Hey guys, so you know I messed up my phone case. We're gonna do that tomorrow, but I just spent a little while customizing my new aesthetic for this phone. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through and my favorite customization apps that you have to download right now. The whole time I was customizing, I was so excited to show you guys what I came up with. So for the lock screen, this is actually a photo I took out of an airplane window headed to New York City last week. It's also the lock screen of my 16 Pro Max, but I decided to change up the colors a little bit to match this pink, beautiful color. I feel like it's giving a little bit purple vibes. A lot of you asked for this, so I'm gonna link it down below in the description so you guys can use my wallpaper. So I changed around the font. I really like this thin font, and I added in 2 little emojis. We have a leaf because it is Canadian Thanksgiving today. So if you're Canadian and you're celebrating Canadian Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a wonderful day with your family and friends and loved ones. And then I added just another, I think it's a little rabbit, little bunny. I don't know, it's cute and I like that it moves and has a little heart popping out. Then I customized the bottom 2 icons. The one on the bottom left, I made it for silent mode, and then the right, I just put a little apple icon. I thought that looked really cool. Now let's get into my stunning home screen design. Starting off first, so the 2 main apps I used, the 2 only apps I use actually, is Miko and iScreen. I talk about these a lot and I keep going back to them over and over again because I love them the most. So we have the Miko app right on the top, and I think this is really cool. It has like the battery percentage, my steps, all my info. I think it's great. You do have to watch some ads on Miko and iScreen unless you want to pay for like the premium version, but I don't have that. I'm just using the free version. I really like it. You can change the fonts. I think it looks great. This icon is called INS Multifunction Panel 1.0, and you can just search it in the app to find it. So of course I made it have a transparent background because I think that looks the best. Then on the bottom left, this is from the Miko app. So this is a really cute way to have photos, and it is a little heart pendant. So I don't know about you guys, but when I was growing up, I had a necklace that was a little pendant, then you opened it up and I had photos. Those photos were of me and my sister when we were little. I cut out with scissors our tiny heads and put it in my little locket. I don't know where that necklace is. I'm gonna ask my sister, maybe she has it at her house, but I'd love to see it now. And I actually had this photo of me and my sister in the locket. So we have that one, and then I have one with me and my mom, brother, and sister with Minnie Mouse. I never knew this photo existed, but my mom sent it to me the other day, and I thought it was adorable. I gotta find a cute one with my dad too to add it in there so he's not left out, but I think these 2 are adorable. Now I have FaceTime, calendar, photos, and camera, but this is more about just customizing it, and you can add in whichever apps you want. Then we have this little revolving widget that I think is so cool. I couldn't decide if I wanted this on my first screen, like the home screen here, or my second one. It's just so cute. So a lot of you have asked me in the past, like, how do you have your little emoji of you going like this in the center? So it is called Photo Quick Launcher. So you can actually click on the little icon that says photo and change it to whatever picture you want. So I just got a picture of my little emoji, whatever, and put it there as my photo. So that's how you can change it. You can also change the list of apps that you can click on. You can add more, add less, make it a transparent background, super easy. So this one is called Photo Quick Launcher number 2. Now on the bottom, I have a to-do list. This is also from iScreen. When you create this widget, it like gives the to-do list for you, but you have to go in and write whatever you want as there, so you can change it. Like instead of learn something new, you can write like, make my own coffee today. That's what I did today, and I was proud of it. So you can just check it off and then save it to your widget as you're going throughout the day. This is the coffee in question that I made myself. So good. I used Nescafe Gold, 2% milk, and stevia. It's amazing, and in my favorite mug. Now to my next page. Both of these little bows are from iScreen. So cute. Always has to be transparent, no matter what. The photos gotta be transparent. Just looks so much more clean. And with iOS 18, we can move our apps wherever we want on our home screen, so they don't have to be like perfectly in a row. You can move them wherever you want. You can have one of them by themselves in the corner if you want, but I don't know, I feel like this just looks different, and because it's a new feature of moving the apps wherever you want, I'm really doing that just because I can. So that's how I organized it. I think it looks cute. To be honest, my favorite widget is probably the little locket with the photos. It's so cute. I love that it's transparent, and it has some of my favorite photos in there from when we were kids. It's adorable. Now for the control center. So if you guys don't already know, iOS 18, we have a whole new look to the control center, and it's really fun. It truly is. So if you just hold down, you can click on add control. We have so many different options. And then as soon as you download the iScreen app, you will have all of these little custom controls that you can add in. They don't launch anything. They just go there, look cute, and you can, you know, make them not the color. You can add a little bit of color in them. I don't know, it was just so adorable. Like, why wouldn't you do this, right? If you wanted to play around with it more, you could have custom things written in there, but I like this one that says love. I'm having Thanksgiving lunch with my family now, so I'm gonna go enjoy that, and I'm excited for the new phone case to arrive so I can customize it for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I just spent the last half an hour decorating the 16 Plus phone case. What do you guys think? I feel like this is so cute. The green matches the green in the cherries. Okay, let's put it on together for the first time. In my opinion, it's perfect. I think it looks super cute. I love that you can still see the pink through it. That's why I chose the clear, obviously. This would even look cute without the stickers, but it definitely adds a nice little cute touch. I love all the colors. I feel like they look so good all together. Stunning. And I love the sound of like the little jingling that this makes. The little keychain on here. Wait till you see what else I just did. So I have my new cable. Look how cute this is. First of all, but guys, you don't even want to know how long this took me to twist on. It's worth it. I think it's so cute. And you know what else I like this? My bricks or my cords always go missing because I will be like, yeah, of course you can use my phone charger, and then I don't get it back, or I don't know which one's mine anymore. You know what I mean? But now this will always be my cute little guy. Clearly I love pink, so this is so fun, and this is what it'll look like into your phone. It's just so cute. So this has definitely been super fun to customize, not only my lock screen and home screen, but also this phone case. Definitely fun. What do you guys think? Which color or which aesthetic should I customize next? Send me screenshots of your home screen and like lock screen customizations in my Instagram DMs, and I want to rate them for another YouTube video. So I'm actually headed to LA and Hawaii this week. There's gonna be tons of new content and fun stuff coming up. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit the like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.